Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're dealing with unwanted messages or simply need to limit communications with certain contacts, knowing how to block someone can help you maintain a more focused and comfortable workspace. Let's walk through this quick process together. First, direct your attention to the left side navigation panel of your Microsoft Teams interface. Here you'll see several options for navigating through different sections of the app. Click on Chat to access your messaging area. This is where all your one-on-one and group conversations are stored, making it easy to manage your communications in one central location. Once you're in the chat section, take a moment to scroll through your conversation list and find the specific conversation with the person you want to block. This could be an individual chat or a group conversation where this person is a participant. Simply locate their name or the conversation thread that includes them. If you have many conversations, you might need to scroll a bit or use the search function to find it more quickly. Now that you've found the conversation, look for the three dots icon, which typically appears either next to the person's name or at the top of the chat window. These three dots represent the More Options menu and give you access to additional actions you can take within that conversation. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing that specific chat. From the menu that appears, you'll see several choices. Look for the option labeled Block and click on it. This action will immediately block that person from being able to send you messages or communicate with you through Microsoft Teams. Once someone is blocked, they won't be able to reach out to you directly, which gives you greater control over who can contact you within the platform. And there you have it. You've successfully blocked someone on Microsoft Teams, allowing you to maintain better control over your workspace communications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.